Okay, first you're going to take a sea urchin, cleaned, despined, dried out, and then you're going to take an airplant, like so, a little bud, nothing too big, something that'll look good eventually coming out of it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the dead leaves off of the airplant. By doing that, it's good for the airplant, but it'll also help it fit into the sea urchin a lot better. Like there's like a leaf. Carefully don't pull off any roots. That's the root. That's a leaf. Okay. And if it's dirty, it's fine. Because I like to hang mine outside on the trees, but if you're gonna hang it inside, you can rinse it off with water a little bit. Okay, that's just a little bit of dirt. That's fine. I'm just gonna knock it off my finger a little bit. Okay. So then the next step you're gonna do after you clean your airplant, you're gonna take some like fish line or like jewelry making like cord, and you're gonna unravel quite a bit. This is what you're going to hang the airplant by. So however long you think you want to hang it, I always clip a little bit more than you think, because it's easier to cut off and add. Okay, so you're going to take one end, and what I do is I rope it around the bottom leaves, like so. This helps the airplant, so it helps it stay intact without harming it any. Just the bottom ones. I'm gonna braid it through. You can even go in a couple. You know, sometimes the outer ones might die. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit deeper on this one. Oh, I'll come back. Okay. A little bit more to go. Perfect. Oh, let me go back through here. Honestly, this is probably just the hardest part, and it's not even that hard. Okay, braid it through. So this wire is a little thick. I make jewelry, but I don't use this particular size because it's like impossible. Okay, I'm just gonna go, I went in a little too far. Oh no, come back. So, if you go in too far, it'll hang kind of funny. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm completely around the airplant. So now I'm gonna take my cord and I'm just gonna tie a knot. Slippery. Any knot is fine. Go around one more time. You can even drop a little dab of glue on top of the knot to make sure it doesn't come out if you want. But honestly, it's probably best if you don't, because if the airplant grows, then the stretchy cord will grow with the airplant. Okay. So now that I have my rope wrapped around the airplant's base, I'm going to take my urchin and I'm going to very carefully try to stick the root of the urchin, the root of the airplant into the urchin without damaging the roots. Oh wait, hold on. Back up a little bit. Gotta stick the cord through. I'm having difficulties with this today. There we go. Okay. There you go. Alright. Now we stick the root in. You too. Don't break. Okay, this is my excess cord. I'm just going to tuck it in. No need to even cut it off, because you know what? If you ever think that your air plant needs more room, you can just go back and use that little line that's hanging off and retie it. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's up far enough. Just going to twist it in. Okay, wow, that looks good. All right, and there you have it. Oh boy. Your jellyfish sea urchin air plant. And then what I like to do is take the very end of it and just make a loop. This part that you're gonna hang around the tree, just make a loop like that. Where'd it go? And then I get one of those metal S-hooks. You can get it from Amazon or Home Depot. And I put this around that metal S-hook. Or you can hang it like this too. It really doesn't matter. Make sure you pull tight. Okay. And I am going to cut the excess off this. Okay. Oh, that's tight on my finger. There we go. And there you have a loop. Now let's go hang it on the tree and see what it looks like. Let's see. Where's a good spot? Let's see. Right there, maybe? Okay. Ta-da! It's beautiful.